Every cloud has a silver lining. Origin, meaning, and examples. The origin of the phrase dates back to 1634, when the poet John Milton wrote, "Was I deceived, or did a sable cloud turn forth her silver lining on the night?" He described how even a dark cloud can reveal a silver lining when the moon or sun shines behind it, creating a bright edge. Today, it means looking on the bright side and finding something good in every challenging situation. Just like the bright edge of a cloud in Milton's poem shows something positive in a dark and gloomy sky, difficult or challenging situations can also have positive elements or outcomes. Example 1. John missed his flight due to a traffic jam, but every cloud has a silver lining. While waiting at the airport, he met an old friend he hadn't seen in years. Example 2. After losing her job, Sarah was devastated, but she found a new position that she enjoyed much more and offered better opportunities. So, every cloud has a silver lining. Try to use "every cloud has a silver lining" when you find something positive in an otherwise bad situation. Expressions and idioms like these can add depth and color to your use of English. Subscribe to our channel below and learn many more English expressions to use in everyday conversation.